In this quick video guide, I want to show you where you can download free DWGs that you can use in your CAD or CAM software or project or whatever you need to do. So the only thing you need to do is to type free DWG on Google or any other search engine, and the first result here will be freedwg.eu, and this is what we are looking for. Now this website here, it's in English, Italian, Spanish and French, so you can choose one of these languages. In this case I will keep it in English. And also you have all the categories here. You have 2D drawings, you also have 3D objects like vehicles or interiors or other stuff. Well, you just have to explore it a little bit. You also find detailed views or plan views, kitchen, bathroom, wherever you need just to navigate a little bit inside here. Now let's make an example. I will take, for example, here this garden furnishing. All right, so you can see you have 2D and 3Ds. For example, let's see this gazebo 2D. So if I click here, I have the 2D drawings and also the 3D drawings. So for example, let's pick this 2D. So if I click here, I immediately get in my download folder this zipped file, and if I open it up, I find the DWG, and in this computer I don't have any CAD application, so I'm gonna use Illustrator. So I will double click on this, and this was a previous one. There we go. So this is a vector graphics, so you can also use it in Illustrator or any other graphic design software that supports vector graphics, and DWG is a vector graphic format. Now you can see also I have downloaded other stuff here from the same website, and also, well, the 3D is gonna look 2D as well unless you open it with a 3D software. So if I open this with Illustrator as well, it's gonna look like it's in 2D, because yes, you can work a little bit with 3D objects and 3D design in Illustrator, but this is not probably the best tool if you want to work with 3D. You can find a lot of more appropriate tools. Now, this is all for this website. It's pretty easy to use, fast and straightforward, so you just give it a look. Now, if you want to check some other video guides about CAD applications or 3D applications, check our YouTube channel. For example, if you go here in the search bar and search for free CAD, now this is a free CAD application that you can download and install. It's a free alternative to AutoCAD 2D and 3D. You can work both with 2D and 3D, and probably in the future we will also make a video course about this software. So if you go in the playlist, you can also check other video courses. So here at the top you have some English video courses. For example, Fusion 360, it's also from Autodesk, and it's free, and you can use it for 3D and 2D design. And if you scroll down to the page, you will also find English video guides on very useful websites and apps and other courses about software. And so this is it for the video. If you want to support us, please do it with the community page or the store, and of course subscribe and leave your comments like suggestions or questions that can be helpful for other users. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.